Hi, and welcome to the Merrill Manufacturing YouTube channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the plunger on our Anyflow, C-1000, and M-2000 series hydrants. The procedure is identical for all three. For this replacement, you'll need 2 pipe wrenches, 2 vice grips, a non-petroleum based lubricant or silicone to lubricate the plunger, a roll of tape, and something to hold water. Before proceeding, place tape around the standpipe to mark the position of the head casting. With the water off and the lever in the open position, place a pipe wrench on the hex of the head casting and the second pipe wrench on the standpipe, and unscrew the head casting counterclockwise to remove. Caution: be sure to turn the head casting only to prevent damage to the inlet water line. Do not allow the standpipe to turn. Lift the head casting with the operating rod and plunger attached from the standpipe. With the guts removed from the hydrant, turn on the water supply for a couple of seconds to flush out any debris that could be caught in or around the valve body. Now do a visual inspection of the plunger for damage, and replace the plunger if necessary. To begin the plunger replacement process, secure the operating rod using a table vise, vice grip, or something that will allow the removal of the plunger. Once secured, tighten a vice grip around the metal top of the plunger and unscrew. When removed, take the new plunger and hand tighten onto the operating rod as far as possible. After hand tightening, fasten the vice grip to the metal top and completely tighten the plunger. Do not grip the plunger with the vice grip, as doing so will damage the plunger. With the new plunger on the rod, it's time to reassemble the hydrant. Begin by lubricating the new plunger with silicone, a non-petroleum based lubricant. Petroleum-based lubricants such as Vaseline will damage the new plunger. Once the plunger is lubricated, apply a thread sealing compound or pipe dope to the threads of the standpipe. With the lever open, insert the head assembly and operating rod back into the standpipe. Tighten the head casting with the pipe wrenches to the tape mark you made earlier. Turn on the water supply and cycle the hydrant lever. Finally, you need to make sure the hydrant is draining correctly. This is done by filling a container with water using the hydrant. Place the nozzle of the hydrant into the container and fill until the water level is above the nozzle. Now shut off the hydrant and watch the water level in the cup. If working correctly, the water level should decrease as suction from the draining water empties the container down the pipe and out the drain hole. If the water level does not decrease, follow the procedure in our leaking out of the nozzle video for the C-1000. This will lower the rod and plunger, and the hydrant should drain properly. For questions, products, or further information, we can be found at merrillmfg.com, called at 800-831-6962, or you can find us on Facebook at Merrill Manufacturing Co. Thanks for watching.